More on PowerPoint 2019. In the previous class, you have learnt about adding animations and slide transitions to your PowerPoint presentation. In this chapter, we will discuss some more interesting features of PowerPoint. Lesson highlights: creating a photo album, screen recording, ink equations, action buttons. Creating a photo album. PowerPoint contains a feature that lets you import your personal or business photographs into a photo album presentation. Creating a photo album in PowerPoint can be a great way to showcase a collection of images in a visually appealing manner. You can select, rearrange, adjust, and add text to your pictures. By default, one picture will appear on each slide, but you can adjust the slide layout to include multiple images if you want. To create a photo album in PowerPoint, follow the given steps. New photo album option. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Photo Album button and then click New Photo Album option. The Photo Album dialog box appears. Photo Album dialog box. Step 3. Click on the File Disk button. The Insert New Pictures dialog box appears. Insert New Pictures dialog box. Step 4. Select as many pictures as you want in your photo album. Step 5. Click the Insert button. Selecting photos for the album. Step 6. Select the desired pictures for your photo album. Step 7. Click the Create button. Your photo album presentation is created, with each slide containing one picture. Photo album created. Now, you can format and beautify your photo album presentation as per your choice. Editing the photo album. Once you have created a photo album, you can edit it by adding or removing photos, changing the order of the photos, and/or adding captions to the photos. To change the order of the photos in the photo album, follow the given steps. Edit photo album option. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Photo Album button and then click Edit Photo Album option. Edit Photo Album dialog box. Step 3. Click on the checkbox to select the desired photo for editing. Step 4. Use these buttons to make changes in the album. Step 5. Click the Update button. Let us know the use of each button in the Edit Photo Album dialog box. Buttons for changing order or removing a photo. Click this button to move the photo towards the end by one step at a time. Click this button to remove the photo from the photo album. Click this button to move the photo towards the beginning by one step at a time. Edit Photo Album dialog box. Step 1. In the Edit Photo Album dialog box, click on the checkbox to select the desired photo for editing. Step 2. Select one picture layout from Picture Layout list box. Step 3. Click this checkbox to show captions below all pictures. Step 4. Use these buttons to make changes in the selected photo. Step 5. Click the Update button to make changes in the selected photograph. Buttons for editing the photograph. Increase contrast to decrease the darkness. Increase brightness to increase the brightness. Decrease brightness to decrease the brightness. Rotate left to rotate the photo by 90 degrees anticlockwise. Rotate right to rotate the photo by 90 degrees clockwise. Decrease contrast to increase the darkness. Original photograph. Edited photograph. Hands-on time. Exploratory learning. Create a photo album of famous painters of the world. Search internet and find relevant pictures of any 5 famous painters of the world and use them in your photo album. Add suitable caption for each picture. Ink equations. The ink equation feature of PowerPoint allows you to handwrite mathematical equations using stylus, touch input, or even with a mouse in your presentation. PowerPoint will attempt to convert your handwritten equation into a readable format. You can adjust and refine it as needed. To use this feature, follow the given steps. Ink equation option. Step 1. Navigate to the slide where you want to insert the equation. Step 2. Click the Insert tab. Step 3. Click the Equation button in the Symbols group. Step 4. Click the Ink Equation option from the drop-down list that appears. Entering the equation. Step 5. Enter the desired equation in the Write Math Here text box. Step 6. Click the Insert button. The preview of your equation appears in the Preview Here box. Click the Erase button to erase a part of equation. Click the Clear button to clear the whole equation. The equation appears in the slide. Mathematical equation entered in the slide. Hands-on time. Interdisciplinary mathematics. Create a PowerPoint presentation and enter the following mathematical formulas, one on each slide. 1. A plus b into do equal by into do plus do upon b plus b into do. Do minus b upon do equal into do minus do upon b plus b into do. 3. Upon do minus b upon do equal upon minus b upon plus b. Screen recording. In the previous class, you have learned how to insert audio and video files in your presentation. PowerPoint also allows you to insert screen recordings in your presentation. The screen recording feature in PowerPoint serves several useful purposes. Teachers, trainers, or presenters can use screen recording to create step-by-step tutorials showcasing how to use specific software or tools. To insert a screen recording to your presentation, follow the given steps. Screen recording option on the Insert tab. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Screen Recording button. Recording toolbar appears. Selecting the area for recording. Step 3. Click the Select Area button to select the area of the screen you want to record. Step 4. Click and drag around the area you want to select for recording. Step 5. Click the Record button to start screen recording. Pause and Stop button on the recording toolbar. Step 6. Perform the actions on the screen you want to record. Move the move pointer to the top of the screen to make the recording toolbar appear on the screen. Step 7. Click Pause button to pause the recording in between. Step 8. Click Stop button to stop the recording. The recorded screen content gets embedded in your PowerPoint presentation. Saving recording as separate file in the computer. To save the recording as a separate media file in your computer, right-click on the recording and click Save Media as option from the shortcut menu that appears. Action buttons. Action buttons in PowerPoint are interactive shapes that can be added to the slides to create links to other slides, files, websites, or perform specific actions. When clicked during a presentation, there are several types of action buttons available in PowerPoint. Hyperlink action buttons. These buttons are used to link to another slide within the same presentation, different presentation, specific location in a document, or even a website. Slide navigation action buttons. These buttons are often used for simple navigation between slides within the same presentation. For example, you can have buttons labeled Next Slide and Previous Slide to help guide your audience through your presentation. Custom action buttons. These buttons can be linked to perform various actions, such as playing a video or audio clip, triggering animations, or opening other files. Return action buttons. These buttons are used to return to the previous slide after navigating to linked slide. Different types of action buttons. To insert an action button in PowerPoint slides, follow the given steps. Inserting action button in the slide. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Shapes button. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Scroll down to the Action Buttons section and select the desired button. Action Settings dialog box. Step 4. Click and drag over the place in the slide where you want to insert the action button. Step 5. Choose the desired action from the hyperlink to drop-down list, next slide, previous slide, etc. Step 6. Click OK. The Action Settings dialog box appears. Action buttons added to the slide. Action buttons added. Smart Signal. When you click the action button in the slide, show view of the presentation, the action associated with the button will be executed. Hands-on time. Experiential learning. Add Go to End action button in the slide of the presentation and choose last slide action for it. Now, add Go to Beginning action button in the last slide and choose first slide action for it. Teacher's Guide. Begin by discussing the concept of a photo album and its purpose. Demonstrate how to create and edit photo album in PowerPoint. Explain the steps to insert mathematical equations in the presentation. Teach how to make screen recording in PowerPoint and insert it in your presentation. Demonstrate the steps to add action buttons to the slides of the presentation. Quick recap. PowerPoint contains a feature that lets you import your personal or business photographs into a photo album presentation. Once you have created a photo album, you can edit it by adding or removing photos, changing the order of the photos, and/or adding captions to the photos. The ink equation feature of PowerPoint allows you to handwrite mathematical equations using a stylus, touch input, or even with a mouse in your presentation. PowerPoint also allows you to insert screen recordings in your presentation. Action buttons in PowerPoint are interactive shapes that can be added to the slides to create links to other slides, files, websites, or perform specific actions when clicked during a presentation. The Knowledge Vault. Slide Master in PowerPoint. Slide Master is a special tool in PowerPoint that lets you control the design of your entire presentation from one place. You can set the layout, background, fonts, colors, and logos, and those changes will automatically appear on all your slides. To work on the Slide Master, click the View tab and then click Slide Master. A new set of master slides appear. Make your changes and click Close Master View. Once you're